Snem Seleku was complaining about her mother's death, that her mother died in a painful way because she looks like she was stabbed with someone with a knife. Sne's mother died in 2008. It's the same year Masaule Musamseleku's late wife, she got an accident and died. What happened? Sneh was suspecting someone, but there is something is not going well on Mseleku's family because Musamseleku lost his two people are important to him. If Sneh's mother was not Musamseleku's wife, but they have got a child together, they are not staying together, but Musamseleku knows that is the mother of his child, and she passed away and he was in painful. After that is Masaule. Masaule got an accident and died. Guys, it's a risky to be on Istanbul, to be on polygamy, because you don't know other wives what they are looking at you or they are thinking about you. But Sneh, you have to stop suspecting other people because she doesn't not know it's a child, Sneh, because you don't know what happened, guys. Even Musamseleko maybe think about it because his baby mama died in a same year his wife died with an accident. You don't understand that what's going on Seleku's family. There is a lot of things. If you decide to be on Istanbul polygamy, other wives they can accept you, but they didn't accept you with their own hearts. Maybe there is something because you don't understand, guys. You will end up losing your life because of a man. What I saw, because things are not, if you think about it, guys, he lost two people on the same year, Sneh's mother and Masaule. You understand? You don't understand what's going on because even they are not married, but Sneh's mother was still Musamseleku. He was respecting Sneh's mother because they have got a child, his firstborn mama, and she died. So it's a very painful thing to Musamseleko. I don't understand because Musamseleko, even he was discussing about it because there is something is not okay on that family. Guys, to be on Istanbul, you have to be strong, to know where you stand, because you end up losing your life or there is something you don't understand happening in your life when you decide to be married on Istanbul, on polygamy, because maybe we are married, we are 4 or 5 wives, but you are not indifferent, your hearts are not, you are in love with a one man, but when you think that the way you are thinking, another person, you don't know what they are thinking about you understand, you have to know about it, that our people, we don't think in a same way. Our hearts, if you have got a good heart, it's not about another person. You have got a good heart, guys. A person can think bad things about you because guys, to share a man, when you are sharing your a man, it's not easy. Even you know that other people, they can hate you that you have got a child with her husband, you understand? So other people, they can think that maybe anytime you can, you know that men, what they are doing when they have got baby mamas, you understand it? Yes, they can separate, like Musamseleku and Mayeni. Musamseleku and Mayeni, they have a child, but those people, they separate and they go back together. It's the same way Sneh's mother and Musamselek. We don't know that if Sneh's mother was still alive because it's his firstborn. Sneh was Musamseleku's firstborn. He have got a child in a young age. But at that time, he didn't take a decision to marry Sneh's mother because he was in love with Mayeni. But Musamseleku, maybe when we saw Sneh's mother was still alive, maybe they are still together now. Maybe Sneh's mother was supposed to be Musamseleku's fourth wife. We don't know. We know Musamseleku can have a child with a woman at the first, but he can decide to marry that woman as his wife. He can do it, Musamseleku, if Sneh's mother was still alive. So we don't know what's going on, guys, because the guys, to you know that to be on polygamy, it's a very difficult thing. You are risking your life sometimes as a woman, because you don't know another woman what they are thinking.